Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to cook sticky wings. This will be my first attempt. Watch until the end for a bonus clip. So here are our ingredients. We need our wings. I washed them earlier on. Mustard, cup measurements, tomato sauce, garlic, soy sauce, curry powder, which is hot and mild and spicy. I also need honey, cooking soda, butter or oil, salt to taste. We first put half spoon of the cooking soda in the water where our wings are and mix it a little bit. Then put them aside for 5 minutes. On a separate bowl, we're going to mix our sauce. I start with a tablespoon of honey, followed by 2 tablespoons of mustard. Just a reminder that I'm not a professional chef. I'm just playing with ingredients. I then add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce or a ketchup, depends on where you're watching me from. I then add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. This one is optional. I just like it in most of my cookings, so don't stress out if you don't have. Next is our lemon juice. Make sure you shake it before you use it, and you can use a fresh lemon. Add just 2 tablespoons into the mixture. Tell me what you think so far on the comments. Would you try it? Next is garlic. I used 2 teaspoons. Depends on how much you like it. You can add another one or just put 1 spoon. It's still fine. Stir to mix your ingredients. This is how our sauce looks like. I'm going to close it and put it aside. Then now we are cooking. I need 1 tablespoon of my oil. If you want, remember you can use a butter. I didn't have butter, that's the reason I use oil. I'm going to end the voice over here. Remember to subscribe, comment and like. You can also share my video, guys. Thank you a lot for supporting me. Enjoy.
Etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves. Stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. Dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm
So see you guys on another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share the video so that it will. Bye.